In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Keep to enhance your note-taking experience with custom headers designed in Canva. This combination of tools allows you to organize your thoughts visually while keeping them easily accessible. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google Keep. Google Keep is a fantastic tool that's integrated with your Google account, giving you the freedom to access your notes from any device connected to the internet. Once you're on the home page of Google Keep, you might notice its clean and straightforward interface. This is one of the perks of using Keep, as it doesn't overwhelm you with features, but rather focuses on minimalistic and functional note management. Now with Google Keep open, let's enhance our note-taking by adding some design flair. For this task, we're going to use Canva, a popular graphic design platform known for its user-friendly interface and vast array of templates. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Canva. If you don't have an account, setting one up is simple and free. However, a free account will give you access to plenty of tools and templates for this task. Once you're logged into Canva, use the search bar and type in headers. Canva presents you with a plethora of pre-designed templates that are easily customizable, allowing you to match them with your personal style or theme of the notes you're taking. When you find a header design you like, click on it and Canva's design editor will open. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, and even add images or icons to personalize the header to your liking. This customization process gives you the advantage of making your notes not only informative but also visually appealing. After you've customized your header in Canva, it's time to make it a part of your Google Keep note. Simply download the header design. Canva allows you to choose the format of your download, and for this purpose, a PNG or JPEG format will work perfectly. With the header downloaded, head back to your Google Keep tab. Open a new note or an existing one where you'd like to apply this newly designed header. At the top of Google Keep, you'll notice an option to add an image. Click on this, and a dialog box will appear, allowing you to upload your recently downloaded header. Select the file, and voila! Your beautifully designed header is now part of your note, making it stand out and easily identifiable at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom designed header in Canva and integrated it into your Google Keep note to better organize and personalize your note-taking experience. Whether you're using this for personal journaling, to-do lists, or professional notes, this method can add an aesthetic touch that resonates with your personal or work style. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more videos for handy tips and creative ways to boost your productivity.